Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel where we dive deep into the world of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Today we're going to break down the various types of firewalls you'll encounter in the field. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about cybersecurity, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, we have the Proxy Firewall. Think of this as the old-school gatekeeper of networks. It serves as a gateway from one network to another for a specific application, like a security guard at the gate, allowing only the authorized guests to enter based on their credentials. A company might use a web proxy firewall to filter and control employees' internet usage, blocking access to social media sites during work hours to boost productivity and prevent malware from suspicious websites. Next, we have the Stateful Inspection Firewall. These are what many consider the traditional firewalls. They allow or block traffic based on state, port, and protocol. Imagine a security guard who checks not just your ID, but also the context of your visit, ensuring everything aligns before granting access. Universities use stateful inspection firewalls to protect their networks by allowing only legitimate traffic. For instance, they might allow traffic on port 80 for web browsing while blocking other ports commonly used for malicious activities. Unified Threat Management, or UTM Firewalls, take things up a notch. They combine stateful inspection with intrusion prevention and antivirus. Think of them as the Swiss Army knife of firewalls, equipped to handle multiple security tasks simultaneously. Small and medium-sized businesses often use UTM firewalls to manage their security needs in a single solution. For example, a retail store can use a UTM firewall to protect its point-of-sale systems from malware and cyber attacks, while also managing secure VPN connections for remote employees. Now, let's talk about next-generation firewalls, or NGFWs. These have evolved beyond simple packet filtering and stateful inspection. They block advanced malware and application layer attacks. Picture a security system that not only checks IDs and context, but also scans for hidden threats using advanced technology. A large corporation like a financial institution might use an NGFW to protect against sophisticated threats such as zero-day attacks. These firewalls can inspect encrypted traffic and identify malicious activity that traditional firewalls might miss. Threat-focused NGFWs go further. They include all the capabilities of traditional NGFWs and add advanced threat detection and remediation. It's like having a smart security team that not only identifies threats, but also takes action to neutralize them immediately. A healthcare organization can use a threat-focused NGFW to protect sensitive patient data. These firewalls can detect and respond to threats in real time, ensuring compliance with regulations like HIPAA and preventing data breaches. Virtual firewalls are our next stop. These are typically deployed as virtual appliances in private or public clouds. They monitor and secure traffic across both physical and virtual networks. Imagine having a security guard who can patrol both the physical office and the virtual office in the cloud. A company migrating its infrastructure to the cloud can use a virtual firewall to secure its cloud-based applications and data. For instance, an e-commerce business might deploy a virtual firewall to protect its online storefront and customer information from cyber threats. Last but not least, we have cloud-native firewalls. These come with automated scaling features, enabling networking operations and security operations teams to run at agile speeds. It's like having a security system that can expand and contract based on the number of visitors at your event, ensuring optimal security at all times. A streaming service like Netflix can use a cloud-native firewall to handle massive spikes in traffic during popular show releases. These firewalls can automatically scale to protect the service from DDoS attacks and other threats, ensuring a smooth viewing experience for millions of users. And there you have it. A comprehensive look at the different types of firewalls you'll encounter in cybersecurity. Whether you're just starting or looking to deepen your knowledge, understanding these firewalls is crucial for protecting networks and data. If you found this video helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching.